Hey guys! So today I'm going to be showing you how to get this fabulous look using the Glam Metals palette that came in this month's BoxyCharm or January's BoxyCharm by Crown Brushes. I believe that you can order this online, but this is what the palette looks like. Gorgeous rocker shades, and these are the only eyeshadows I used in this look today. Obviously, it's a bit bold, it's a bit blue, but it is wearable, and this is me showing you a different look because I think most people are probably going to gravitate toward these browns, and I wanted to do something different. If you want to see how to get this look, just keep watching. Alright, so I have already primed my eyelids and done my foundation, my concealer, my powder, and my contour. I have not done my blush and highlight yet, and I have not done my eye makeup. But we're going to be using this Glam Metals palette that we got in our BoxyCharms. So if you got a BoxyCharm or you just really like this palette, I'm going to show you how to do a really easy, simple look with it. And we're going to do that right now. I'm going to be starting with Rock On, and even though it is a more metallic-y shade, I'm just going to tap into it a little bit, tap it off, and run that in my crease very lightly. I'm not putting a whole lot down, just a little bit, and mostly on the upper part of my crease. All right. Normally with a palette like this, I would start with a more matte palette to run through the crease, but today we're just going to go with it. Next, I'm going to go in with Wild Thing, and mostly focusing this on the outer portion and through the crease once again. We're just going to blow that out, and this is just going to help kind of warm up the look. I'm gonna go in, let's see here, we're gonna do Punk, and we are going to be focusing that on the lower crease area, so just a little bit lower than the last one. Nice grungy thing going on. Then on a flat shader brush, I'm going in with this one here. It's kind of more of a bluey silver color, and it is called Heavy Metal. And we are just going to press that into the lid. Because I want to make this a little bit more foiled, I'm going to use some Fix Plus on my brush and dip right back into that Heavy Metal shade and put that in the center of my lid. Take this little guy here, and I'm going to start running colors on the lower lash line. I'm going to start with the Wild Thing shade and just run this under here so that we have a little bit of warmth. Making sure to smoke that out a little bit. Then I'm going to take this black metal shade here, and I'm going to take it with just this little brush, and I'm going to stamp it on just the outer corner on both the top and bottom, just to kind of help define. As you can see, I'm not going crazy with this. I'm just gently tapping it on just the outer corner. Now I'm going to take my blending brush and help smoke that out a little bit, very gently, on both the top and bottom, so that it gets diffused a little bit. So we don't want to just have like this random triangle on the outer V. Finish up the rest of my face before I finish up my eyes, because my eyes are watering, and you know, it's a fact of life. A lot of times just moving on to something else while your eyes calm down is kind of the easiest way to deal with it. So, also featured in January's BoxyCharm was this Pure Bronze and Brighten. Now the bronzer is definitely far too dark for my skin tone, but we are going to be using the blush and highlight today, and you know, we're going to have some fun with it. So taking my fluffy brush, I'm just going to tap into the shade just a little bit and very gently build up this color, because I know it's pigmented. But this is going to add a nice flush to the face. It's one of those colors, it's fairly universal. Looks good on most skin tones. Better on deeper skin tones or skin tones with a lot more yellow in their skin than I have, but I can still rock this shade. And this has a nice sheen to it, so very pretty. Like, I'm not gonna say I don't like it. It's pretty. A little bit more. I like blush and I like it to be subtle, but I like to be able to see it. If I can't see it, you know. Alright, now I'm also going to take this brush here and I'm going to get our highlight shade. And I know this is pigmented. Ooh, look at that. Oh Lord. Oh, that's gorgeous. Yes. A little bit more for good measure. Oh yeah. La, la, la. Okay, a little bit here. A little bit on the Cupid's bow, yeah. Alright, then I'm just going to take my pinky and tap this highlight shade right on my inner corners. And bam! Oh yes, that makes a gorgeous inner corner highlight. Oh wow. These shadows, they did blend out really nicely, even though that they are more of like a metallic shadow. In the crease, they don't look metallic. It actually blended out very nicely. I'm very happy with the way this turned out. So I'm just going to make sure to get rid of any harsh lines. Now it's time for eyeliner. My go-to eyeliner is a Physicians Formula eye booster. I just like this one. It works for me. I'm gonna go in with my Lancome Grandiose Extreme. I will probably get out of frame, so I will be right back. Just to kind of round this out, because I did get the eye makeup and the face makeup in my BoxyCharm. Figure I will try this Galactic lip paint and see how this looks with the look. This is in the shade Demure. Alright, and that is the final look. Obviously, you can totally pair this more dramatic eye with a much more subtle lip. I just wanted to give this a shot. I don't really dislike it. I just had a bit of an issue where it overdrew my lips real quick, so oops. Here is the completed look as Rocker Chick. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. Bye!
Oh, this is making my eyes run. I'm leaking. Rocker chic. Yes. Good enough. Oh, hi. You remember me, right?